The sun is out this morning. Maybe not super strong, but definitely out. And kitties are all accounted for and eating. That's Morris and Stripe closer. Tux and Gray has run the gauntlet and climbed up top with him for a few minutes. Let me go feed Panther and Slate. I don't feel bad this morning, but it's definitely one of those mornings where I'm waiting for the coffee effect to kick in. Seems they mowed here at the environmental park yesterday. It's humid because we had just enough rain to wet the ground right before sunset, and it's kind of burning off this morning, so it's humidity's going into the air, moisture. Hopefully we'll get a breeze on the walk. We've been really lucky about breezes. I'm kind of glad we didn't go to Tesla this morning because we would have missed our walk.
Oh, that's right.
Although we would have had social hour in the car, you know. With Don working and then tired at the end of the day, this is when we do all of our talking pretty much. Yeah. We go to bed at night. Don's reading that Andy Weir book and we crash, or I'm working on my video, so that doesn't work as a good time.
Andy Weir book 1 or 2 pages a night. That's all I can make it.
Yeah, he's tired. He's tired, and that's after we both took a nap in the evening too. Both of us. Right. I was out for a while last night before I worked on the video. No other walkers, no town people, no lawn equipment. No, nothing. I'm sure by the time we get around the track twice, the summer camp kids will come walking across. But actually, of all the people over here, they're about the quietest. They come, they sit, they eat.
Frankie, smile.
Frankie! Hi, Frankie. Good morning. That looks like a great ride.
Have a great day.
You too.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
I forgot my headphones today, so
I'm sorry.
I have to listen out loud. I love you. Kiss, kiss.
I love you too. Hope you can hear it.
Yeah.
There's lots of robins in the grass over here looking for insects this morning. Guess they like it that it's freshly mowed. 51 minutes walking and just shy of 6,000 steps. The AC feels good in here this morning. This was one of those mornings where there wasn't really any cool, refreshing feel on the trail. It was just pretty hot and sticky. That's where I left Jules because Tux was laying in the middle of the driveway. Normally I line Jules up for Dawn to put in the garage, but we're a little farther away today. Always looking out for my boy. Tux started to come over, but I got a little issue. This one is here, and of all the ones out here, these two don't like each other the most. I'm glad to see Tux is resting so peacefully on the back step. He stayed there several days recently for hours until the sun comes around, and here's Marty over here in the chair, which is Marty's favorite spot recently also. I'm a little bummed this morning. I got 2 more ant bites, one near the bee bite and one on the back of my neck, and they hurt and itch and swell, and I'm just not comfy. I'm gonna go work on my leg.
I have a problem. Don't know. Saw the little yellow indicator when I went to pull Jules into the garage. I'll have to check this later.
I finished my house just in time to take Johnny for his haircut. I'll give you a tour and take some pictures when I get back. Well, we have had not less than 6 power blips. Didn't actually stay out, but definitely was flickering, a couple of different clusters of them. And so it'll be interesting to see if I see anybody working on anything over here. I had Johnny go out to the garage and look at the little panel by Ruby, and the voltage coming in was 247, so I don't think it's a heat thing, because I mean, we got sun today and we should have all of our renewable energy sources, plus, as far as I know, Sharon Harris is online. So anyway, I don't know why we were having power blips. It was really getting annoying. We had to ended up go flip the circuit breaker to the refrigerator to reset it, because the last time it came back online, it didn't boot up properly. Thank goodness it wasn't messed up any. So I don't know what was going on. I don't see anything over here, and I looked the other way before I turned and I didn't see anything either. So they're really working on that building over here in the Walmart parking lot, and they have the road like really torn up here. The main drag away from the buildings versus close to the building. So we had if I'd have known what I know now, I would have come in at the other end of the shopping center. But as it was, we had to kind of come in through National Tire and Batteries parking lot so that he could walk in to get his hair cut. Anyway, we're here now and all's good. But I'll be glad when this construction in the parking lot is over, and maybe hopefully before the Christmas holiday season and people be in the parking lot. My understanding is that Walmart owns the out parcel and is developing it and filling it and stuff, not the shopping center. And I'm just of the opinion that it wasn't the best thing they could have done for their customers. Your crew's all waiting on you over there.
Yep.
I see Morris, Stripe, and Marty. They're all waiting on you. And Mr. Don. Wow. Well, I took a break to handle a couple other bomb things, but I have put the final touches on. At the very end, I had to put these bricks here and the stripe. The plans didn't call for that, and you could just like see in there, and it wasn't good. And I know this is the back, and nobody really is going to be looking at that too much, and they're also not really going to be looking at this side too much. But I needed to make it right, or I would have known it was wrong. There's a kitty in the window up here in the chair, and there's another kitty over here on the bench inside the sunroom. But I added the little flag, and my parts, you know, that I was missing came. I added more flowers, and I'm happy with it. The only thing I'm going to add is the rest of these little rounded spots, these up here. And that was a design change on my part. And I have it in like white and dark gray, but no more light gray. So I will add that. I even did the little double-sided sticky tape. I put the little gap filler in the windows like I did on that other Brick Builders Pro house. So it's done. I'm calling her good. I love it when friends who happen to drive Teslas show up in the driveway. Johnny and I are off to Taekwondo. Don's visiting. I've got just a few minutes before I've got to pick Johnny up. Taekwondo is just right there. I need cheese. Hopefully they'll have something I'll be willing to buy in here. With 30 minutes to spare, I found a make 5 great throws for a chimchar task, and I finished the collection challenge for Bama Boy Don and Wally 967. So I was very pleased about that.